In this video, we will learn about for loop. Okay, one thing I want to highlight that you can see here that all changes saved. So Google Colab automatically saved whatever you are writing. So you need not to save your changes. I mean, you can see that I have used same notebook that I used for previous sections, and all changes are saving automatically. I am not doing anything. So this is also a benefit of your Google Colab. So now let me add a new section here. I mean new code section, and there I will demonstrate how to use for loop. Okay, so let me write like for uh, I in now I want to increment this thing for 5 times. So I will say I in range and 5. And just to mention that now you can see this better because I have just increased the zoom. Okay, so now let's write it for I in range this colon same as previous as we did in if. Now let's print and oh I. Okay, now let's see the output. So now you can see here that it has printed from 0 to 4. Okay, now sorry, now let's assume that you want to print from 1, not from 0. Okay, so for that we need to see that what range has. Okay, so uh, let me like this. Now you can see here range can take two values. Okay, one is args and other is keywords. So let me put here like this, and here I can write 5. Okay, now it should start from 1 to 5. You can see here that it says return an object that produce a sequence of integer from start, okay, inclusive to stop exclusive. Means that it will include 1 but it will not include 5. So if you want to print value from 1 to 5, you have to put range 1 comma 6. Okay, so here you can see that range I comma j produces I plus 1, I plus 2 until j minus 1. Okay, and if you don't write I, so it takes default to 0 that we demonstrated in this few minutes ago. Okay, now let me show this to you. It should show value from 1 to 4. So here you go. You can add multiple print as well. Let me write I, then let me do some arithmetic operation. Let's suppose I star star 2. Okay, so it should print your oh wait, something gone wrong here. Okay, let me do like this. Okay, okay, I thought it's something new, but it's not new. We are printing 2 times, so that's why. First it is taking 1 and then it is doing this. Okay, I thought it's all right. So I think we are good for today. So we saw like how we can implement for. Okay, next section in next lecture we will see about while loop. Thank you.